guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I transform an old silk press, and here my hair is super frizzy. It's just not a look because I got stuck in the rain, sweat, humidity, and I transform it into this. Okay, this is just like my silk press day one. Super flowy, fluffy, soft, voluminous, just how I like it. And this all without the use of a flat iron. Okay, no heat damage at all. So keep on watching to get to know my secrets. So first of all, what I'm about to do to my hair is like done in 15 minutes. No re-straightening my hair, whatever. You're gonna see what I'm gonna use on my hair because it works like a miracle. Okay, you can see here that my roots are puffy, and because I shower every day, obviously, duh. I cannot always protect my roots, and it's just, yeah, you know what it is. You know how it feels like when you have a silk press or when your hair is straightened, it reverts back to curly super fast with the least amount of sweat, drop of rain, or steam. It's just, yeah, it's done. Okay, so yeah, I just really wanted to do something about this. First, I'm gonna be using two products on my hair, and it's the Olaplex number 6 and 7 together. So I used this previously to silk press my hair. I love this combination because this serves as a protective layer on my hair for what I'm about to do next. And I use a little bit, just a little bit on my hair, and no, it will not revert my hair back. That's why I always use a little bit, because I also don't want to weigh my hair down with too much product. But this combination is heavenly, doesn't weigh my hair down, it makes it even more soft. So this is like a nice way to re-moisturize my straightened hair, right? And then I'm just gonna use my blow dryer, girl. That's the only thing I want to use, my blow dryer, preferably with a round brush. So if you don't have a blow dryer like this, just use your regular blow dryer and a round brush and blow dry your hair on medium or low heat, okay? Because you don't want to put too much heat on your hair, right? And medium or low heat will definitely not, okay? It will definitely not damage your hair. So that's what I do. I apply a little bit of my Olaplex number 6 and 7 together on my hair, and then I blow dry that section. And girl, let me tell you, the results are incredible. You can see the frizzy patch is gone. It's completely gone, and my hair feels like silk again. It feels protective. It feels lightweight. It has a lot of air in it. You know, it doesn't feel stiff, and it doesn't look stiff at all. So yeah, that's my routine basically. So I do that for every section. I apply a little bit of product, then I blow dry it on a low or medium heat, and that is it. Super easy, right? Look at this. Girl, if I knew this earlier, I would have done this years ago, because I don't really silk press my hair often, maybe twice a year, and I get sad when it reverts back to curly after like 3 days. You know, my roots start to puff up and all that kind of stuff. It's just annoying because, you know, you want to rock your silky straight hair for a while. Well, with this method, you can literally make it last for 2 weeks. Girl, like this silk press is a little bit over a week old, and now it's looking brand new again. So I can rock it like this for, again, a week or longer. I don't know how long I'm gonna make this silk press last whenever I get tired of it. So yeah, this is just a great way to make your frizzy hairs, your flyaways, your puffiness go away. And here you can see a comparison again. So this is one side that has been blown out with the products. It is super soft looking compared to this side. It's a bit more rough, and my hair is flowing beautifully. So yeah, definitely try this out, guys, because this works, especially the Olaplex product. I don't have any experience with other hair products, any other blow dry creams that might work for this particular situation, but I'm telling you, Olaplex is the truth. And here I'm going to show you again that really, even with just brushing my hair, it's still super fluffy compared to the other side. If I brush the other side, it's like a world of difference, right? You can see it. You know, this is a high quality camera. I cannot Photoshop this footage or anything. So yeah, this routine really works. So yeah, like I said, it took me like 15 minutes in total to achieve these results, and my hair doesn't feel greasy or sticky at all. It doesn't feel weighed down at all, and the result is beautifully like day one silk press hair. Because girl, look at that volume, look at the body. It's amazing, right? So I wish I knew this earlier, so that's why I'm making this video, to let you girls know there's a solution for the problems that we have, okay? So yeah, let me know what you think of this video in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.